Hello everybody, and thank you for watching my new tutorial. Today I will explain for you how to adjust the audio and how to use the pen tool. For example, we have this track audio and there is any video here. So how can you adjust this audio? First of all, you have to make it like this, longer. You have to see what's happening inside this track of audio. So now we have this. Let's make the entrance like a fade in. Now you can use the pen tool. Use it and just press here and here, 2 points, and just catch the first one and put it down. Now it's fade in. You can do it again, 2 points, and let some of these points, put it down. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial, and wait me in my new tutorial soon. Thank you very much, and bye bye.